How to turn off online status on Viber. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Viber on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on More at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on Settings. After you're in Settings, click on Privacy at the top. In Privacy, you will find Share Online Status. Click on it. You can change this setting once every 24 hours. So now, make sure there's no tick mark in the circle. After you have done that, online status will be turned off and no one will be able to see that you are online. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to turn off online status on Viber. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.